It's Melissa with eXp Realty. We're going to go ahead and take a tour of this 2,154 square foot home in Pebble Creek. It was built in 1999, has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Some of the nice features in here are the big, tall, vaulted ceilings. And this home has been gently used, so not someone living here full time. So for the most part, a lot of it is in really good condition and has a lot of really nice features. Nice big front bedroom here with a large walk-in closet. And then obviously we showed you the bathroom there. I just want to point out, like, these showers look like they've hardly even been used. They are in really good shape. You do have a linen closet here in the hallway. This floor plan had a couple of options for this space, but this one is a 3rd bedroom. And it's got pocket doors here. So you've got double pocket doors here at this space, which is kind of nice. Shutters on the majority of the windows up at the front of the house. This is the owner's suite. So you have a walk-in shower here, dual sinks, private water closet, and a nice walk-in closet here. Good size bedroom again here. All the furniture is going to stay with this home, so if you have questions about that, please let me know. Sliding glass door to the exterior here. And let's go check out the rest of the home before we go outside. All right, so you've got a nice, big, formal living and dining space here. Again, tall vaulted ceilings. And over here, you have just kind of a more casual dining and living space here. Kitchen, little built-in desk. We'll go ahead and check out the backyard while we are right here. Nice big covered patio. This one has the optional upgraded larger patio. And then they built this area here as well. Nice low maintenance backyard. Let's go ahead and check out the garage. It is a little bit of a bigger garage as it has the extra golf cart space in there. Nice big interior laundry room as well with lots of extra cabinet space. You do have the option for either gas or electric on the dryer. Stepping over this way, so you've got this extra little space up here for the golf cart and standard 2-car garage. Cabinets. We've got the service door here and water softener and water heater, as well as your furnace. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to take a private tour of this home, please feel free to reach out to Melissa and we will get that scheduled for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.